Hello friends, I am Daksh from RFL Ahmedabad. I have made robot sectors. The parts I used are smart hub, motor, beam, plates and etc. I have programmed this the building A, the building B and the building C will fall on which magnitude. Let me show you a demo. Now we will check building A's magnitude. So friends, as you saw that building A fall on magnitude of 7. Let me show you of building B. Building B. So friends, you saw that the building B fall on magnitude of 8. Let me show you the magnitude of C. So friends, you saw that the building C fell on magnitude of 3. You also that the building B is the strongest building from building A and building C because the building B has bases. Thank you.